Is that it? Oh, we can't do that again? We were rolling that whole time?
My name is Dave Del Papa.
Hi, my name is Levi Presley.
I'm Lori Hendricks.
John Hendricks. My name's Alan Walker.
So my name is Mickey Foster. This is my wife, Sandra Foster.
My name is Nick Bingham. This is my wife, Sarah Bingham.
I work in Nashville.
I'm from Springfield, Missouri.
And we own the Get a Grip in central Denver.
Get a Grip of Little Rock.
Lafayette, Louisiana.
Get a Grip, Eastern Arizona.
I used to live in Albuquerque in to 2000, or about 2004 and 2005, and I was familiar with all their advertising and their company and the processes they did.
I heard about Get a Grip actually through my mother.
I met Sharon and asked her about her business, and after a long conversation with her, I went home and said to my husband, we should go and have a conversation together with her.
A relative of hers uses Get a Grip in a different state, so that's how we found out.
In the beginning, I originally worked for Get a Grip as an employee.
I heard about Get a Grip from my parents. They knew some friends from church that were starting this company for the first time in Louisiana. They offered me a job to come be a technician.
2 years in, I ended up buying it from the old owner.
It's actually something that I heard about probably about 10 years ago.
I chose Get a Grip because I wanted to be my own independent operator.
I knew it was lucrative. There's also no resurfacing in the area, so I was fired up because I was more going to be educating people about the process.
In general, low cost to get in and get started.
The opportunities that came up with Get a Grip were just across the board that I could hit and get into.
Knew all about it, knew all the ins and outs of it.
Not working for somebody else, but working for ourselves.
And I was
She and
also
I
ready to
support
change
us,
a career and
she's the inside gal and I'm the outside guy kind of thing.
I purchased the Get a Grip in 2006.
I've been with Get a Grip for 2 years now.
A little over 2 years.
Been a part of the Get a Grip family right at 10 years. Before that, I was an employee for about 2.
I've been part of the Get a Grip family for about 10 years, 10, 11 years. Was a technician that entire time, a lead technician that entire time.
We came to our training exactly a year ago this weekend. So we're having our anniversary here this year.
We bought the company just here a few months ago in July.
Corporate support has been excellent from the beginning.
Corporate has been great. Every time I've called Ryan, he answers us, and if not, I've got some other people below that I can call that work with corporate.
Oh, they're there all the time.
And the support comparison is there is no comparison. Get a Grip is on top of it.
I think really have a very good support team, and they're always behind you. You got questions, they've got answers.
Get a Grip support is wonderful. The only reason I'm an owner now of a resurfacing company is that Get a Grip supports us
100%.
wholeheartedly.
What appealed to us was having that corporate backing and knowing that a lot of that groundwork has already been laid for us.
If we need anything, you pretty much just pick up the phone. Hey Sharon, hey Ryan, Trinity.
As soon as we started, their support was pretty huge.
Super supportive. I couldn't do it without them.
It's really excellent training while you're here, and the training and support afterwards is very excellent as well.